Send RDO. On the Radio Network website, there is a step-by-step instruction of the process of transferring RDO from your wallet to the buyer's wallet. To go to your personal cabinet of your wallet, click on the link. In the window that opens, click on the Get a Free Wall button. You can make a transfer in one of two ways. First, on the main page, you can click the Send button and you will be taken to the tab for making a transfer. The second method, in the side menu, select the Send subsection and you will also be redirected to the tab for making a transfer. In the address field, enter the wallet address to which you are sending, enter the required amount in the amount field, check that the data is correct and click Send. Enter the password. The transaction is completed. Returning to the main menu of your personal cabinet, you can see a zero balance and another record in hash.